Cash for Gold services provides you with the opportunity to turn your unused, broken, or old gold items into immediate cash. These services typically buy various forms of gold, such as jewelry, coins, bullion, and other items made of precious metals like silver and platinum. You bring your gold items to a reputable Cash for Gold service. A professional will evaluate the purity, weight, and current market value of your gold. After the assessment, they'll make you an offer based on the gold's weight and purity, taking into account the current market prices. It's important to know the carat of your gold and the market price to understand the offer. Lastly, if you agree to the offer, you'll receive immediate payment on the spot. Before choosing a Cash for Gold service, it's advisable to research and ensure the buyer is reputable and trustworthy. Look for reviews and clarify their evaluation process and fees to ensure transparency and fairness.